Welcome to HealAdvisor. We are very glad that you have chosen our personal advisor for fitness, well-being and energetic balance. By using HealAdvisor, you will quickly and easily find your suitable Healy frequency programs. HealAdvisor also creates your personal grocery shopping list and provides you with the matching digital nutrition frequency programs. By the way, this app is constantly updated with knowledge about the effects of various frequencies in the HealAdvisor expert database. Please download the HealAdvisor app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store and install it. We use a so-called single sign-on login for this app. This means that you only need to use your login data from the Healy shop for all other Healy apps and digital systems. After logging in, you can use the two functions HealAdvisor Search and Digital Nutrition depending on which subscription you have signed up for. First of all, it is important that you specify which Healy edition you own so that the app can suggest frequency programs contained in your Healy edition. Furthermore, you can change the language, edit your profile, find the version number of your app and log in as another user.